Okay, one showed up. I'm gonna try to get it on video. Actually, it's the second one, but this one's brighter. And I've lit it up with a laser, and it's heading towards the north. See, I don't know if that's going to show up on video. In just a couple minutes, oh, there's 3 more. Or 2 more. So there's 3 total. Now, just a minute ago, it was making a pulsing sound. It was making like a ding, 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 but it was like a higher pitch. So now I only see the 2, but I'm not wearing the best glasses, so I don't even think this, oh, there it is. So there's that one that's going away, and then I can't see the other one on video, but that one's just heading towards the north. The other 2 have stopped. So the other 2 are stationary now. That one's still floating away. It made a definite sound. For a minute I was scared that it was a military craft and I was going to get in trouble for shooting a laser at it. But it's just floating away. How could I describe that sound? It's almost like a sonar, but not quite. Yeah, it's pretty far away, but it's just, bye. Thank you for letting me see you. Yeah, you can't see it now, but it was beautiful. And I'm going to shut this off because it's so far you can't see it on camera anymore.